Stevens, welcome back. How are you feeling?
I cheated death.
I need to know about your involvement with the workshop escape.
My involvement? I know nothing about it.
Yeah, it's funny that. No one does. And yet 2 prisoners couldn't have escaped without help or someone knowing something.
Why would I sabotage my own pride and joy?
You tell me.
Particularly to assist Joan Ferguson, who, by the way, you really should have let hang.
Okay, what about Doyle? Did you assist her?
Seriously? Governor, this is absurd. I had hoped you might pay a little bit of attention to who poisoned me.
Right, that I know. Susan Jenkins has just been charged with attempted murder.
Susan?
Jenkins, you got a visitor. You got 1 minute tops.
That's all I need.
Oh, Sonia. Oh, Sonia, you're a sight for sore eyes, aren't you? You look good.
I don't respond well to disloyalty.
What?
Liquid nicotine in my tea.
Oh, no. No. It wasn't me. Don't believe them. Why would I do it?
I know you had ambitions to take over the workshop.
I did not.
It seems I was wasting my time nurturing someone I thought had such promise, only to discover I'd created a monster.
I'm not a monster. I'm your partner.
They charged you.
Yeah, because I'm not a lagger. No. I wouldn't tell them who really done it.
So it was Les. know what's happened. Something bad.
What's code black?
Someone's dead. Oh, how dreadful. Do we know who?
Okay, ladies, line up for the count.
Wasn't even out of the shower today because she wasn't in my cell last night. Fuck. Okay, go have your breakfast.
I hope they get to the bottom of it sooner or later. I can't wash my hair, can't use the shower. It's ludicrous, really. Does anyone know who died? Screws are keeping it under wraps.
What, Baba?
I think it could be Liz. No, why?
Well, she didn't come back for lockdown last night and she wasn't around for morning count either.
I'll find out from smells where she is.
Jesus, Liz! Where have you been? God, we were worried about you.
I'm so sorry, love, but I was in medical when they called lockdown and they only just decided to let me out.
What are you doing there?
Oh, I had a headache, so I had to go and get some tablets.
You killed Sharon! You fucking killed Sharon! Fuck you! Fucking nothing! Just crazy me! Fuck! Kidding! Fuck you! What you gonna do about it? I know! Yeah, play your nuts and bitch!
Come on, settle down.
I'm fucking dead!
Come on.
Well, that solves the mystery of who died.
You killed the wrong person, you fucking psycho.
Liz.
No, don't you come near me or I'll shiv you. What's gotten into you? You killed Sharon. Thinking it was me, didn't you?
Oh, don't be ridiculous. Blind Freddie could tell you she's at least 10
Oh,
years
cut
younger.
that bullshit, Sonia. Have you forgotten that you threatened to kill me?
What did you expect? You lagged on me.
You wanted me to make that fucking confession. You colluded with Don to make it happen.
And you made it so easy. Nobody forced you.
It was Don. That was not my idea. That was all Don, right? He promised me things. He made me believe that we had a future together. Fucking reeled me in, hook, line, and sinker. As corrupt as I come.
You're right. He was as corrupt as they come.
He was corrupt.
You said you had some information about the murder, and please don't tell me Sonia did it.
Yes, Sonia. I've come to explain about the poisoning. There's an innocent person in the slum.
Oh, Liz. I know. Sonia's made a statement to the police already. It was a misguided suicide attempt.
A suicide attempt. She said that. So why would Sonia...
Well, no, apparently she was depressed about entering a guilty plea and she swallowed the liquid nicotine herself.
Right.
So, I can rest assured Jenkins is off the hook. Liz? Liz, how are you feeling?
Me? Oh, God, I'm fine. Yeah.
Nurse Radcliffe said you wandered into medical looking for the showers.
Oh, yeah. Look, I think I was just having a bit of a silly moment.
I hope you're not drinking again.
No, Miss Bennett. God, no, not anymore.
Okay. Good.
James. No, it's still your... Let go now. Let go. Let go now. Come on. Let go.
You are a fucking asshole.
I love you. You need to listen to me. Okay? I know you're hurt and you're angry because I let you down, but that bitch set me up and she tried to kill me. She's not who she pretends, love. She's not. She used me. And she's using you, Emma. No, don't laugh.
Was that all you got? What, you're not gonna put your little fucking ears out? Get on the floor, rock like a little fucking retard, eh? Oh, I'm fucked! I fucked up! Because that was really good, that was. Yeah, you really got me with that one. I actually believed you. You're a sneaky fucking liar.
Don't say that.
Susan. You all right? I need you to be all right, Liz, because you're crucial to my new defense. It was your idea. Corruption. Listen, I've sacked my lawyer. I've changed my plea. Come on, keep up, Liz. Pay attention. Come on now. Once they catch him, and they will, you and I are going to out Don Kaplan for his despicable corruption. And that will be the basis for my exoneration.
Don's alive.